I've talked about this before in some other streams. I've never checked anybody's GitHub when I'm interviewing them. I think people for data science, I think people put a little bit too much emphasis on GitHub. Maybe for some straight up, software engineering roles, that's important. But I've never checked anybody's GitHub, if I'm being honest. What I have checked is I have had people who will include links to their Medium articles or their LinkedIn articles. I will take the time to read those. Like if somebody writes and says, hey, like in their experience or, maybe in their thank you letter, they'll say, hey, here's an article I wrote, I will check out articles, I have done that. In fact, one of the guys that I hired, a few years back, yeah, he included a link to an article, and I went to the article, and I'm not looking for like anything groundbreaking or fantastic, but I'm looking for you to kind of be in the data science world. So LinkedIn has a section for articles, and also Medium. If you take the time to write on Medium, I know a lot of people do that. I do that from every once in a while. So I would probably encourage you to do more things like that. Like if you did research on your own and created a LinkedIn article about it, I am 10 times more likely to read that and put weight on that than a line at the bottom of your resume saying I got a certification from some unknown boot camp, right? And I say unknown because it's unknown to me, right?